What if I told you that every time you connect to public Wi-Fi, someone could be watching what you're doing? From coffee shops to airports, your data can be exposed in seconds. Your passwords, your browsing history, even your personal information, all vulnerable, and that's exactly why millions of people turn to VPNs. But here's the real question. Is TunnelBear actually worth your money in 2026? Or is it just a cute bear hiding average performance behind smart marketing? In today's video, I'm going to give you a complete, honest, and detailed review of TunnelBear. No fluff, no bias. We'll test its speed. We'll check its security features. We'll talk about streaming performance. We'll see if it can unblock popular platforms. And most importantly, we'll find out if it's safe, reliable, and worth using for everyday privacy. TunnelBear is known for its beginner-friendly design and fun animated interface, but does simplicity mean weaker protection? Or is it secretly one of the most underrated VPNs out there? If you're someone who uses public Wi-Fi frequently, wants better online privacy, is confused between free and paid VPN options, or just wants a simple VPN that actually works, then this video is going to help you make the right decision. By the end of this review, you'll know exactly whether TunnelBear is the right VPN for you, or if you should look at other alternatives. So let's dive in and see what's really inside the bear's tunnel.
When we talk about online privacy, most people think I have nothing to hide. But the truth is, privacy is not about hiding something. It's about protecting something. Every time you connect to public Wi-Fi, every time you log into your bank account, every time you search something personal, your data travels across the internet. And without protection, that data can be tracked, monitored, or even stolen. That's where VPNs come in. But today, we are not just talking about any VPN. We are talking about one of the most beginner-friendly and unique-looking VPNs in the market, TunnelBear. It looks fun, it feels simple, it has cute bear animation. But the real question is TunnelBear just a cute marketing? Or is it actually secure, powerful, and worth your money in 2026? In this complete review, I am going to explain everything in simple and clear language. We will talk about features, security, speed, performance, streaming capability, privacy policy, pros and cons, and most importantly, pricing in detail. So let's start from the basic. What is TunnelBear? TunnelBear is a VPN service that helps you browse the internet privately and securely. It was launched in 2011 and later acquired by McAfee in 2018. Its main focus is simplicity. Unlike other VPNs that show complex settings and technical terms, TunnelBear is designed for beginners. Even if you have never used a VPN before, you can use it easily. It is available on Windows, macOS, Android, iOS browser extension. That the interface show a world map, and when you connect to a country, a beer to that location. It's simple, a visual attractive. But let's move to what really matters, security. Security is the most important part of any VPN. TunnelBear uses AES 256-bit encryption, Open VPN protocol, WireGuard protocol, IKEV2 protocol. These are strong and secure protocols used by top VPN provider. It also has a feature called Vigilant Bear, which is basically a kill switch. If your VPN connection drops suddenly, it blocks your internet traffic so your real IP address does not leak. Another important thing, TunnelBear performs independent security audits. Many VPNs only claims they are secure, but TunnelVPN actually allows independent companies to check their security system publicly. That builds trust. However, since it is owned by McAfee, some privacy-focused users feel slightly concerned about corporate ownership, but so far, there are no major privacy scandals related to TunnelBear. Overall, in terms of basic privacy and encryption, TunnelBear is safe. Now let's talk about speed. Speed is a very important, especially if you stream video, play games, download large files. In my experience and general testing results, local servers give good speed, nearby countries perform smoothly, long distance server may reduce speed slightly. Compared to premium VPNs, TunnelBia is not the fastest VPN in the world, but for a normal browsing, YouTube streaming, and social media, it works fine. If you are a heavy gamer or someone who need ultra fast torrent speed, there might be better option available. But for the regular users, speed is decent and stable. Streaming and unblocking. Now the big question. Can TunnelBia unblock streaming platforms? TunnelBia can sometimes unblock platforms like Netflix, YouTube. Some reason locked website, but it is not the best weapon for streaming. It does not always consistently unblock all regions of Netflix, and it may struggle with some major streaming services. So, if your main goal is streaming from multiple countries, this might not be a strong option. But for the casual streaming and bypassing a small restricted, but for the casual streaming and bypassing small zero restrictions, it's worth. Free plan. Is it worth using? This is one of the most interesting parts. TunnelBear offers a free plan, but there's the limitation. You only get 500 MB of data per month. 500 MB is very small. You can check emails, light browsing, small testing, but you can not stream or download much that limited. That free version is mainly for testing purposes. If you want a serious usage, you will need the paid version. Now let's talk about pricing clearly and honestly. Turnvia has simple pricing plan. Monthly, you pay month to month. This is the most expensive option. It is good if you want to test without long commitment. 1 year plan, you pay once for whole year. The price per month becomes cheaper compared to the month plan. This is the most popular option for regular users. And 3 year plan, this gives the best discount and the longer you commit, the cheaper it becomes per month. Now generally speaking, monthly plan is expensive, yearly plan is balanced, 3 year plans give you best value. TunnelBear also allows unlimited device connection on paid plans. This is a very good advantages. You can use it on phone, laptop, tablet, multiple devices at the same time. That make it budget friendly for families. In the terms of value, TunnelBear is not the cheapest VPN, but it is also not overpriced. Let's move on pros and cons. A very easy to use, beginner friendly, strong encryption, independent security audits, unlimited devices, and free version available. Let's move on cons. Free plans only 500 MB, not the fastest VPN. Streaming performance inconsistent, fewer advanced feature compared to competitors. Who should use it? TunnelBear is perfect for beginners, casual internet user, students, people who want a simple privacy, users who don't want the complex setting. So finally, is TunnelBear worth it in 2026? If you want a simple, clean and secure VPN that is easy to use and work well for every browsing, yes, it is worth considering. But if you want a maximum speed, advanced feature, and strong streaming unblocking, there are more powerful options available in the market. TunnelBear is like a friendly guard for your internet. It may not be the strongest warrior, but it protects you in a simple and reliable ways. And sometimes simplicity is exactly what the most user need. So guys, like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends and stay tuned.